This is going to be the elevator at 114 West Main Street, or the old post office in New Britain, Connecticut. Got a Series 1. Ooh, an older Series 1. It lights up red. Haven't heard that chime before on a Series 1 if you heard that chime. Let's go up to 3. Door close button works. Fan of that, of course. Plus, this is the motor. Okay, let's go down to 1. Oh, looks like that one lights up the yellow color. Let's get a cab view.
Hey guys, pretty interesting elevator we got here.
Yeah, this is interesting because it has this red wall and also matches the red indicator for the Series 1. You can see closely, though the light is a little bit bright, I guess, on the indicator because you can see the hood. Let's go back up to 2 so we can get a listen to that motor. Interesting how only that button, the 1 button, lights up yellow, but the other 2 light up red. Must have been modded. Nice motor on this one, though. Alright, and that'll be all short for this one, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.